Nakikita mo? Grabe, ang dami pala yan.
Pagkain na tayo pawin eh.
So, pizza pa lang ang diniliver, guys. And, ano?
Kasi masyadong maluwag tayo.
It's really, really very, very big. Like, wala nang bukas, guys.
Hanggang bukas na. Yes.
And, ang dami din.
Ito yung isang pinuha pa namin.
Marami din siya. Good luck. Dapat malapitan ko? Ilapit ko? No. Ganyan lang.
Lagay mo konti. Tapos iharap yung konti sa'yo. Tata.
Sobrang dami ng food, guys. I ordered fresh mint.
Nagbili pa na.
Sabi ko talaga, gusto mong batian. Gusto mong batian.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out naman.
Hanggang din pala. Parang, oh my God.
Hello. How's that?
We're going to start eating stuff.
Nothing, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not good village.
So we're going to judge the pizza first. Oh my God, one more.
Oh, another one. Oh, God.
What is hot
Okay.
from the
The guy said it's for one, but it's too much.
So big eater.
Sabi niya, for good for one lang. Pero parang good for three, good for four. Mahina lang kasi tayo kumain.
Yeah.
Sarap. Ito yung, ano to, Mark?
Truffle.
Truffle.
Yun ang
Margarita. Margarita. Lugi naman tayo ng margarita. Ano lang yan? Tomato.
Let's taste it. Let's judge.
What's it?
Ano ba? Parang sa pugon.
Parang malaki. Yummy.
Italian kaya masarap. Kain muna kami, okay?